Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn about adverbs. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Introduction to adverbs. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, adjective or another adverb by providing information about how, when, where or to what extent an action is performed or an attribute is described. Adverbs are usually formed by adding ly to the end of an adjective. Example, quick becomes quickly. Although there are also other adverbs that don't have this ending. Uses of adverbs. Modifying verbs. Adverbs add detail to actions enhancing verbs. For instance, she sings beautifully. Beautifully describes how she sings. Modifying adjectives. Adverbs modify adjectives to show intensity. For example, it is extremely hot weather. Extremely intensifies hot. Modifying adverbs. Adverbs modify other adverbs, adding more detail to sentence for clarity and precision. Types of adverbs. Manner. An adverb of manner describes how an action is performed or how something happens. In most cases, adverbs of manner occur after the main verb. Example, Anna laughed loudly. Time. Adverbs of time, example, yesterday, today, tomorrow, describes when something happens. They are typically placed at the end of a sentence. Example, I will see you tomorrow. Place. An adverb of place provides information about the location of an action. Example, position, distance, and direction. Adverbs of place typically occur after the main verb of a sentence. Example, hey, come here. Frequency. An adverb of frequency describes how often an action happens. There are 6 main adverbs of frequency that we use in English. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Example, Olivia usually exercises. Here is a list of the adverbs that we use commonly. Placement in a sentence. In general, adverbs should be placed as close as possible to the words they are intended to modify. Putting the adverb in the wrong spot can produce an awkward sentence at best and completely change the meaning at worst. Consider the difference in the meaning between the following 2 sentences. I almost dropped all the papers. I dropped almost all the papers. Now see the examples. Anna coughed loudly to attract Olivia's attention. Here, adverb is loudly. He ate the chocolate cake greedily. Here, adverb is greedily. I always sleep in the mornings. Here, always is adverb. We will go to the beach tomorrow. She stepped out to get some fresh air. Here, fresh is the adverb. Now read the following text and identify each adverb. Find the adverbs and write down them in a comment section. And I will post the answers in the community post. Thank you for watching.